everyone, and welcome to another casual vlog. I've been doing these more frequently on my channel and I really like it, and it seems like you guys do too. Who knows what's in store again for today's vlog, except one thing. I am actually getting my hair colored today. My best friend, she and I both went to cosmetology school at different times and different schools, but we both have our cosmetology license, so we have always colored each other's hair. Today, she's coloring my hair, except I have not colored my hair in years. The only thing I've done is like maybe something that's not even permanent on my hair, just like a gloss or something. I think I'm gonna do something a little more drastic today. I mean, I guess nothing too crazy, but gonna maybe have some blonde pieces or just some lighter pieces, maybe not blonde, but we're gonna put highlights in basically. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of bring you guys along for that. I'm gonna head over to her house now, and I think I'm gonna do a little something to her hair too. So I thought that would be kind of fun to share and see how that goes. It's always very interesting with my best friend and I when we do each other's hair, because it kind of seems like a lot of times it doesn't always go as planned. Hopefully it does today, because if my hair falls out, I'm gonna be real sad. Anyway, gonna get going. I have my car started right now. Just let the dogs out and gonna grab my stuff and head on out. We're at my best friend's house. Best friend, hey! Come on down. Got my other best friend here too for moral support. She's on the other side of the camera. We'll get a snippet of her shortly. So Jessica, how are you feeling about, this is your interview?
I'm feeling really good.
You're feeling confident?
I know exactly what we're doing.
Okay. Oh, I'll show my inspo pic.
It's gonna be so cute.
Oh, sorry, gotta focus. This one will be sort of like an ombre highlight, but not so much an ombre. And
getting her hair did.
What is that? What's that? Oh, it's a brown foil.
Yeah, it's just a brown foil.
Got all these foils in my hair. It is a few days later. Actually, today, the day I'm filming, is actually Valentine's Day. But I thought I would give you guys a little overview of my hair. My friend did a great job. I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. I know some of you could kind of tell in my last video that I did where I was finishing up decorating my house and showed you guys like some Valentine's Day outfits and stuff. Some of you guys could tell that I did something to my hair. I don't know if the lighting's very good now. But basically she just put a ton of really small little highlights, and then she did some thicker ones too, and like they like start in the middle and then go down, so it's kind of like a little bit of an ombre. But yeah, I really like it. And then I've said this before, but I always cut my own hair. I haven't had anyone cut my hair in probably like 5 years. I really only cut my own hair because I'm very particular about it. So I cut it again and I like the length and everything. It just, I don't know, I really like it. Today is Valentine's Day, and Josh already gave me my Valentine's Day gift, which I thought was really sweet. his is still on the way, and I really hope it gets here today because I really want to give it to him today. Tonight we are going to our friend's house. We've been planning on doing this like little Valentine's Day get together, like just with our friends and stuff. I've talked about it in a couple videos, and I made some really cute cookies last night. I'll take you guys to the kitchen with me. Really, any excuse I have to bake sugar cookies, I am all for it. So here, let me find a place to set you guys down on. I just got a new little humidifier yesterday, so I'm going to prop you guys up on that. I worked like 2 hours on these cookies last night. Oh my goodness, they are the cutest sugar cookies ever. I told my friend I should probably go into business now. Here, let me see. This is what they look like. I mean, could these, whoa, that would have been really bad. Oh my goodness. This will be a better way to show you guys. Okay, so here's these. Aren't they so cute? Those ones right there, those have pink frosting in them. And then I got these really cute little sprinkles. This is all just from like my grocery store. They're like pink and purple little sprinkles. It kind of made those ones look like purple cookies, but I still think it's cute. And then I did those, and then I still have another tray. Some of my V's broke. So these are the cookie cutters. I actually bought these at my grocery store yesterday, Meijer, for those wondering. But aren't these so cute? I wasn't even planning on making sugar cookies for our party. I was just going to make brownies, but when I saw those, I thought I had to bake cookies. I have a super good sugar cookie recipe. It's homemade and it's just really, really good. So I'll actually leave the recipe down below in the description box if anybody wants it. So it's really simple, but I never make my own frosting. I always buy this frosting at the store, and this is the ticket. This is what you need to kind of get like that perfect, those perfect like lines. Sorry, my dog's at their dog bowl. And then to make the cookie frosting like hard. I know you can make stuff like that too, but I just really like this one and it's really easy. So I have to finish frosting those, and I'm gonna do that real quick right now because I want these to be ready for our party tonight. Also real quick, every year for Valentine's Day, Joshua's mom sends us in the mail 2 heart-shaped brownies, and they're so thick and they're so soft and they're just really, really good. So we just got those today. We were really excited about it. And Joshua and I both have already taken a bite of it. Honestly, it is kind of funny that I'm even baking sugar cookies because I feel like, I mean, Joshua's not a huge sugar cookie guy, and then I don't even know if our friends are, but they have kids, and I know kids always like sugar cookies. So at least they'll appreciate them. And I love how these ones like made like a little tiny heart in the middle. I think those are really adorable. Okay, finished the cookies. I talked to my friend because I think her daughter will be the only one that really loves sugar cookies. I mean, all the kids will, but I know her daughter will really love them. Her daughter definitely likes pink with sprinkles, so I made sure to do a bunch of sprinkles when I just decorated these. This little grouping is just my favorite though. I don't know why. I just think it looks really adorable. And then these are some random extras that I have because last night Joshua and I had a couple cookies, and a couple broke. So yeah, whatever. So these are just extras, but these are the ones that actually spell out love. Next on the docket, I'm going to make some brownies for tonight too. I have this little pan. I got this last year. To get my cookie cutters out of here. This is the pan. It's just a little heart shape. And I'm making boxed brownies. These right here are the best ones that you can buy at the store. It's Ghirardelli, but it's the triple fudge ones. Not, there's like a double fudge, there's a couple other ones. The triple fudge one is truly the best. These are the ones my mom always would buy too, or does buy, like if she ever buys brownies. But honestly, Joshua and I never eat brownies like ever, so this is like a very rare occasion for us. But yeah, so I'm gonna bake these, and I think I might wait just a little bit though before I get started on those, because it's 1:30 right now and we're not leaving for our party till like 5. But Joshua gave me my Valentine's Day gift. Well, he gave me half of it last night. Let me show you guys what he got me. So last night Joshua really wanted to give me my Valentine's Day gift, which I was like, let's just wait, because I knew his gift was gonna be here today. But he really wanted to give me, well, at least part of my gift. I thought it was the whole thing last night. It was really cute because he acted like he just got me like one thing in one bag, and I opened it and I was like, oh, that's great. And then he brought out another bag with a little thing, but I'll show you guys everything that it is. It's this Aveda hand relief, and I was really excited about this because Joshua normally goes all out on gifts and he'll spend a lot of money, and this year I was like, Joshua, just get me something like thoughtful, something you know I use, and it doesn't have to be like crazy expensive or anything. And so I thought this was really thoughtful because I use this hand cream every night. As soon as I get in bed, I put my hand cream on, and this Aveda one is my all-time favorite. I went to the Aveda cosmetology school, so I just like love their products. So this was just in one bag, and I opened it and I was like, oh great, thanks. And then he came in with another bag that had another one in it. And I was like, oh, you got two, that was sweet. Well, then he got me the foot relief, which I've used this before in like cosmetology school, but I don't think I've ever actually bought it. And then he ended up getting me this hand renewal serum. So this is the hand relief too, but it's not just a lotion. Like this is like a serum, like prevents like your hands aging and things like that. So you put this on first, I believe, and then the moisturizer after. And oh my goodness, the Aveda stuff just smells so good, and every time I use it, it reminds me like being back in cosmetology school. A couple like random things that I've never used that he got me. This was a cherry almond leave-in conditioner. I think he said like with the amount he spent, he got like a free full-size product. So he picked out the leave-in conditioner. And then I've talked about the app Shop Tagger that I use all the time, and we have like the little thing installed on our computer, and because he has the app on his computer too, it had like a coupon for this to get this whole little trio free. And it's really pretty, and it was wrapped really nicely. He didn't have to tell me that, but yeah, look at it, it's like wrapped so nice. And then it comes with like a rosemary mint shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I've used the rosemary mint body lotion before, but never like the shampoos and conditioners and body wash and stuff like that. So I just thought that was really, really sweet. So he wanted to give that all to me last night. And then today we had a couple packages come. One was from his mom. It was the cute little heart brownies that she sent. But then another one was this package, and it was really cute. It was these little workout sneakers. They're all black, they're Under Armour, and he actually has some all black Under Armour sneakers, and I always tell him that I really like his sneakers, and he picked these ones out for me, and they look a lot like his, and I really like them, and I tried them on, and I think they look really cute on. So I thought that was really thoughtful and really unexpected too. So hopefully his gift gets here. I just looked up the tracking, and it says it should be here around 3, and I really hope it does, because I want him to get it before we go to our friend's house tonight. Just, you know, because we're not gonna get home till late, and then I feel like Valentine's Day is pretty much over. So I want him to get it before we go to our party. But I gotta go get, I have a card hidden in my car for him that I gotta go grab real quick. Got the card out of my car. And I got this from my grocery store yesterday too. I thought it was really cute because it's kind of like a little book. It has several little pages to it. But yeah, basically it just has like a bunch of pages and it's just kind of cute and fun. So I'm gonna write on the last page here. Yeah, I think it's a really cute little card. So if his gift doesn't get here, at least he'll have a nice card from me. The dogs are barking, and that's usually a good sign that the UPS man is here. Yay! Hopefully, yep, this is it. So this wrapping paper, okay, so this wrapping paper I actually got around Christmas time. It was from the sugar paper line, but look at how adorable it is. It's kind of like cream with black hearts and it's very like matte. So I love it. Not that guys really care about what wrapping paper you use, but I like it to look nice. So for those wondering, I got Joshua some airsoft stuff. So him and his buddy are pretty into that right now. So I thought that would be fun. And I think he's gonna be pretty surprised, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I hate when this happens. This is the worst. Like when just one little tiny piece is coming off. And then, okay, there we go. Whenever I'm wrapping gifts, I always try to like do the right amount so I don't have to cut any extra off, but I might have to cut some extra off here. Guys, how adorable is this wrapping paper? Oh my goodness, it is so cute. So I think I'm just gonna leave it sitting here like this till he gets home, and then he can just find it on his own, I guess. I just think the wrapping paper is so cute. I can't get over it. Joshua liked his gift.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And
really excited.
we are headed out to our little get together. Got all of our goodies.
Bye.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Hope you all had a very happy Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whatever you did. And I will see you really soon in my next video.